Discover the Teflpain and Delici's breadmaker, a kitchen game changer with 20 automatic programs including gluten-free, sourdough and sweetbreads. It makes fresh bread, pizza dough, pasta, jam, and even homemade yogurt or cottage cheese, all at the touch of a button. With customizable loaf sizes, crust settings, and a 15-hour delay start, fresh bread has never been easier. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Panasonic SD YR2550 SXC bread maker, a kitchen marvel with 31 automatic programs, dual temperature sensors, and a 13-hour digital timer. Its artisan-style kneading, automatic yeast and nut dispensers, and gluten-free options make baking effortless and delicious. Wake up to fresh, bakery-quality bread every morning. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Panasonic SD R253UKXC bread maker, a sleek black design that saves space on your kitchen counter. With 30 automatic programs, gluten-free options, and an automatic nut and raisin dispenser, baking bread, cakes, and more has never been easier or more fun. Just add your ingredients and enjoy bakery-quality results every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Panasonic YR2540 fully automatic bread maker, featuring dual temperature sensors for bakery quality results, 32 automatic programs including gluten-free options and manual settings for full creative control. With automatic yeast and nut dispensers, a 13-hour delay timer, an artisan-style kneading, baking fresh delicious bread at home has never been easier. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Wake up to the irresistible smell of fresh bread with the Russell Hobbs electric bread maker. Featuring 12 versatile programs including gluten-free, 3 crust options and 2 loaf sizes. 750 grams or 1 kilogram, plus a 13-hour delay timer and a viewing window. This sleek white machine makes baking easy, quick and perfect every time. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile bread maker? The Kitcanis 19-in-1 stainless steel machine bakes perfect bread, makes jams, yogurt, pizza dough and more, all with a large 2.2-pound capacity. Its automatic nut dispenser, non-stick pan, LCD touchscreen and 19 customizable programs make baking easy and fun. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Panasonic SD-B2510 automatic bread maker in sleek white, designed to save space with its horizontal flush lid profile. With 21 preset programs, including gluten-free options, it makes baking fresh bread, cakes, pizza dough, and more effortless. Just add ingredients and press start. Dual sensors ensure perfect rise every time, delivering bakery-quality results at home. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.